And finally, IMF, I fire back at Sammy Gyamfi, our good board CEO. I'm a TikTokers no. I bet you imagine ever home. My man chirimu. I Penyah block na best say any demo. Obe like video no down. But subscribe button, and back like notification icon of latest updates. Na bet you the word and the mama ever comments. Sponsor baswa. No share for any be share. So it was last year. And IMF for a report ye. As a gold board, yakoton gold wabɔka to the sum of $214 million. Emma omuka say a year through gold board and Ghana ya board that can. Emma that time no. Sammy Gyamfi ebe kasa ya no ochire say enya no kre gold board engoton gold bia mo kari mum no Bank of Ghana. And I say oye no ni year yi mu no won say wabɔka o ma make such loss but enya gold board and abɔka no. Emma di we no ebe ye dedwa e Ghana ha no mo. What I say but 2005 you know Sammy Gyamfi say abeka saye enwo be chere nsemu na ba work nyina ebe mu ene ade Sammy Gyamfi back at IMF na say yente IMF nkan bi because Sammy Gyamfi was able to say IMF for any bere no just say IMF o mani biro no Sammy Gyamfi ana ne success eyo ya just say Ghana ema IMF ema jebosian ene IMF for ya no man for Sammy Gyamfi ho tan o kan say we nyina kan ho ema say na abeye so interesting just na abeye nika Sammy Gyamfi IMF for town. Omo ta waje di ai. Ah zewo. Omo ta waje di ai. What I say? But Sammy Gyamfi aki kan da nsem ni nyina na say. Na enye feda go na nsin yan mu no. Ana IMF for through the directors of communication. Kozak ebe kan na o kire mu say kana o ma bono Ghana abo through gold board na Sammy Gyamfi mranto asem no. No no kre.
For the fifth review, the report acknowledged this program, and it acknowledged and discussed a bit the benefits and the costs of the domestic gold purchase program. On the benefit side, what we see is a contribution to a buildup of international reserves and reduced pressure on the foreign exchange market during a difficult period for Ghana. So those were the benefits of the program. The report also quantified what we call a quasi-fiscal loss. Quasi-fiscal meaning because it's not on the fiscal balance sheet, but ultimately it is a fiscal loss. And that loss was $214 million that the team quantified. The loss stemmed from trading activities, fees, exchange rate movements. And to help address this, our recommendation is to strengthen transparency, governance, and risk management, especially for the gold bond-linked channel under this domestic gold purchase program. We also strongly recommend that the losses should be brought on balance sheet rather than held on the balance sheet of the central bank. So on the budget, they should be brought on the budget's balance sheet rather than held on the central bank's balance sheet. And why is this important? It's important to ensure that the Bank of Ghana remains well positioned to deliver on its key price stability mandates. So it's about moving something that is quasi-fiscal, moving it onto the budget balance sheet so it's transparent, and it also ensures that the Bank of Ghana is able to deliver on its mandate.
They are not mincing words. And they are not falling back. They still stay to their feet. Say, Sammy Gyamfi and gold board alcoton gold wabɔka $214 million. Everybody say, "Omuka dancing we no." Now I was checking how the media agencies will make their reportage. Me who said, "Jet affording can make publication." A publication we no much which I say, gold board's $214 million loss stemmed from trading activities, fees, and exchange rate movement. And exchange rate movement, not just say, Omo are confirming, and someone, communication director of IMF, Julie Kozak, Anna, GH1T for make that Omo reportage. Quincy Mania, who say, Omo deleted that flyer, no. I'll be making another flyer. I don't know what I said. The $214 million loss is accounting cost, not gold board loss. Just over so much I say $240 million no. enye necessarily say gold board and akoton gold aboka na emom na accounting cost but first flyer just say that loss stemmed from trading activities, fees and exchange rate. Gold board and a commission all this, but obi any dey see hey say your ma GH124 warning say you omu dey obi any dey see ent omu ko direct that omu first flyer no e be another one. Emma the way abia dey on the internet, you know, before say memo akotie there TikTokers na air can oh me person mbusa question bi na with all due respect Ghana same year say atwam o go 2018 a e ba say be Ghana card. The NDC national chairman Johnson said get here or cancel no chirimu say the NDC should withdraw and they should boycott the Ghana card registration in 2018. Emma that time kwa nanka me ye kodi nachi me ye tie no aboycott because as last day ana meme koya media cause na me je ensem a Johnson said get here kan me di nachi. But I'm telling them so there be pass my money can this later e ko ba say the Ghana card be am dan kwase campaign ti ma me koye bi am koye bi but with all due respect in better busa say honorable OOB Ghana card the OOB and I said that time no anye 90 what mu obi there mu obi Ghana card no mo yeah because say the get am here say ba o me adi be bu Ghana for all the best come here eni so bi akoye all the best come here but me be say mu say OOB ana Ghana has ensim say atwa 2015 that time na dum so many Ghana for His Excellency was able to tell us say 20th February 2015 Mahama, who was then the president, was able to tell us say ye be say dum so etutwa we should stop charging our phones. We should stop charging our phones to solve dum so. Even TV Ayahwe he put blame on that. Say no cause dum so because the pressure e be say nyina wa hoden so. It will say light to na so then ye nya TV ye nya say charge your phone. That things dem pay you. That was for gold ball loss we no. Ukomi na so TikTokers no can same Sammy Gyamfi and Mahama.
For Ghana for Yesika ye dem Sammy Gyamfi ne gold board say omo fendi gold dwa no omo fanfa so mbra. Beto dwa sika ne mu $214 million a she. Wabɔka no ene IMF edi mu nchire mu aba IMF aba be cheche ne nam so a gold board actually $214 million no na sansem we enye nsem foforo ensem aya kan chire mu a but Sammy Gyamfi esan so ye kronfo a opese krono a obo gold board o katakata so nti o twa ntro pese o de ye cover up but ene IMF aba be teneto na me ba be breaking nsem ne down me ba be chire mu ama sebie obi a won ko school kura ate ase mean sounded technical, me use any terminologies. Into messages obenya boche, no ahwe video ya ma akosi ya wapa, but nya botre na hwe man kosi like na share na afofro so enya bi nhwe. Yen concept ne mu. According to IMF, enema miensa na ama good board wabɔka. Sa $214 million no. Ne di kan trading activities. Ne etoso mienu fees, ne etoso miensa exchange rate movement. Se ka say trading activities are what does it mean? As it's and say gold board to gold, no aquacoton wa monone, no the dollars na obinyano, abagana. Ye can't fees a gold board it private companies gold board man a license say onboard gold board indi juma odi. Exchange rate parts and may explain here the later part of this video. Now, Obibebusa say trading activities. Ye to gold aquacoton, ye to sikakoko aquacoton sikakoko no. Eba ne sen ne wabɔka. And the sen here uto sika na wakoton sika na wabɔka. How is that even possible? Na fees ne kran so no fees ben company ben ye tua sa fees ne man na eba ne sen na sa fees no ebe ye Ghana for ka. Na ye nya kwan bia so offset that fees no na nya boche me ba be chire mu yi. You see, Emran establish a good board no Emma good board monopoly over the entire gold supply chain. Emran say gold board pay and wotu mean say obeto good, aton good, refine good, say good, export good. Samra na so say gold board wo ho kwan say obetimi license private companies. No one more to me krata no maboa no amane di ni dwuma a odi. Inti ene what pertains in any say gold board a license private company be a friend about Rock Limited. ama ne tumi say ono penny company the whole Ghana o tumi say obetimi atoto gold free artisanal small scale miners o ototo wi a na waboaboa no na waba beton ama gold board. Nti what is happening ne say ne yɛde yɛ taxes Emma Bauer Rock Limited, that private company no na ɔde atoto gold free artisanal small scale miners ɔmo Ghana nyinaa hɔ no aboaboa no no aba beton ɛde ama ɛyɛ gold board. Now this is a system NDC for no ɔmo ahyɛ da kreti a ɔmo de bɔ Ghana for kro no ɔmo de wia Ghana for kro no pam ɛyɛ deliberate na saa Bauer Rock no ɔyɛ NDC ni company na NDC company nipa o establish yɛ friend Alhaji Rashid Bawa or NDC ni one mahama or pictures be bring we or tiase. Now we a system omudi create a luti almost shesikan. No people say a man is saying Anna Sacron epim Yabote me baby chichi umuyi. You see, gold board says or quack to gold in every bar rock or better at 0 discount. 0 discounts are brought for Cassie as a chinya and say gold board say or to gold in obey you sue prices I want international market. Ana or the ato gold na every air bar rock or into the international market ye ton an ounce of gold and I say gold boaba kum $500 gold board back or to an ounce and now gold boaba kum $500 every bar rock. Wait, does it make sense? Say udija baby I will back ton and near mana or ton international market or no oba cotton $500 per ounce. O say baby I will cock off a gold no. Oberton at the same price $500. No people say a banner saying a deal with a deal losses by a man Ghana a boka. You see, ordinarily common sense should tell you say who did ya as I say who qua cotton and dear no $500 baby I over cotton no Oberton less than that. Into ordinarily as a good board a top a year good to free Bauer Rock $400. Now wakwa cotton on the international market $500. Send a beya ubenya $100 in faso some faso no and then I would be treat a car a beba in transporting good no to say yes exporting good no the aqua on the airport treat taxes in export charges near mobile handle freight in near kika home. So ordinarily that's what's supposed to happen. But Sammy Gyamfi any ni crooks are omo gold board any NDC are buying omo nyenesa but rather sa a car ye dey exporting near man or ye dey transporting good near there no omo the Ghana ye taxes ana etua ana sa $100 na nke ebetimi dey no Bauer Rock for ana e come ho nti Bauer Rock na ye NDC company no enya mfaso boom sika ankese se ba aban no ho na aban no e de trade niema nketinketi including export charges ni ade no e ko Bauer Rock for no ho nti omo nya mfaso boom at the expense of Ghana. So that is how chrono no e cost in that trading aspect. And as our fees na ye ka ho asem no yama private companies be to me say omo no be tested the quality of good. Inti omo test the quality of gold na gold board etria omoka for the services they provided. Inti or no ya the taxes na etria omoka wo bra anka say an ounce of gold a ton of 400 every Bauer Rock near cotton $500 no near the no etria sa fees ne charges ne keka ho no that is what's supposed to happen. But because omo person omo boy chrono omo Mexican call NDC company Bauer Rock no they are not doing it that way. So this is how Sammy Gyamfi na buying any gold board omo wia Ghana for. Now your third factor IMF say e ka ho ema these losses by which is exchange rate movement. Say the year me ba be breaking it down what I say. You see say gold board e cotton gold if ram on here onya dollars na or the bread Bank of Ghana. Now Bank of Ghana amano eye CD equivalent. In the gold board's GCD equivalent na no assign the aqua to gold every Bauer Rock no. Na assign aqua ton ewa mono ne no wenya dollars no the abre Bank of Ghana no GCD sa that is how it goes. Inti nya boche me ba be ma real life example no how sa losses no eba. Now yamfa say gold board ton gold anunya $1 billion at the beginning of 2025. At the time no na exchange rate 14 Ghana cedis to $1. Into the $1 billion US never Bank of Ghana. No. Bank of Ghana Emma Gold Board a year 14 billion Ghana cedis. As on sign fan to talk good no exporting. Now, Bank of Ghana J $1 billion US no. And or the go forest marketing. Or the go forest marketing I suppress dollar rating into a dollar. If we 14 Ghana cedis, about 10 Ghana cedis. Now, Gold Board had to good on the second time. Edi kwa monone akwa akoton wasi enya $1 billion US. Ano de aba a Bank of Ghana so monje no money cedis. But or this buy and or this second $1 billion ne buy no. Na exchange rate in every 14 Ghana cedis. Aba 10 Ghana cedis. Meaning Bank of Ghana mano sa 14 billion na odema no initially. Obema ne 10 billion Ghana cedis. Into Gold Board I incur 4 billion Ghana cedis losses. Into I say Gold Board epe 4 billion Ghana cedis eka 10 billion Ghana cedis in home. And sana wetimi akwa koto gold. What talk gold, the same quantity of gold or ton initially. Now why export yako asenya dollars ediaba. So that is how our losses no eba. And sometimes umon international market price na kosro. Enti sika sese Gold Board ede koto free small scale miners or na asia koso nti or sanya sika or pesika bebre. Asa na ode to same quantity. That is how it's happening.
Ghana, quick one, fast forward. And then Ghana today, President John Dramani Mahama, or say, I have now seen that the digitalization that was spoken about was real and not just paper. Ghana digitalization is real. Here John Dramani Mahama, person check Ghana for say, Eye abefu jumedia Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia pa ya friend digitalization no kre. No John Dramani Mahama. Ordinance Sinibo as a president say, Ura Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia jumedia obedi 2024 ni nyina no. Ene inkitahudi ode bro man no kre. Na Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia ni so adu hunu no eye kese pa. Don Dramani Mahama check Ghana for say, o promise yen 133 24-hour economy. It is not feasible, but Ura Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia niema oye no, ono John Dramani Mahama busumi makuma kudu mienu ubetim de nsense ne bo say we witness bi ebi any good for oil policy ebi ni good assay ebi ni drone system ebi ni digitalization a oka ho asemi na ono a president owo opposition oka say ode 24-hour economy ni ebepa no besi ne 133 no entimi nya adwuma efise obaye no wo hu se amanyo 7 no enafom ene John Dramani Mahama ka kire se enema bi a esi ya mribi na wo ka ho asem a Ghana fo ebebre na omoje ni tum no opeso kire se enya de a sambre mompo watimi achieve baako Samubeka ya nanse ya Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia jumedi a odi ya ye freno gold assay ne ye metric tons of gold a ye wo since Nkrumah bia besi 2027 no ana 2017 no ni ye wo 8 metric tons and Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia no hu say esi edi esika na ye wo yesidis no eto gold edi go ho until I started the year city at all good edigo and an metric tons of gold 30 metric tons of gold since Nkrumah ebabisi 2024 into under 8 years yetimi to 22 metric tons MPP aban so a Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia daso Sammy Gyamfi PMMC boss ebeda no or the gold kwa manso akwa akoton wabɔka under NDC 214 million US dollars. MPP eye upon Nkrumah ebe kan ye no Ghana for bebre se nya no kre ene IMF womo communication director your friend Julius Kuzak aba be kan se oman ni sikasem a na se ye gold ehun semsem a ye de abo oman form na se afa oman sase ama sika tuturi di ahwere ye nyina no trade activity, fees, and exchange rates. Into for instance, Bank of Ghana be catch so almost the 10 billion and akwache yesika semnim and I say yesika sidi nim said the benya hoden. Sa sika ibi nyina eka ho. Na IMF director and I say communication director sre Ghana ban say sa nsem yi no no kre. Enti de na opon kroma and I say yeru akojo opon kroma eka say oman wabɔka esem trofo bi etu putro edi go Ghana for say enye no kre no. And then the IMF for Eddie Ababe to just say no cre. Yera John Dramani Mahama so adi atum say, Ora Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, or your sonfo no abua Ghana. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na digitalization buy drone system. Transport or the buy a friend no. You can say e-transport and I say electronic transport or the buy and no and as some kaya na what mu John Jumelu, Ejira Madina, Edema. A passenger for say or monfro na NDC for na dia ba no we ma ye hu say ura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne niso ade no eso kese mom ye nya didie wo Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne ento abanfa ma no 2026
abusuafo se sia na me pon meeting bi me pon na me call media no so na makohu say say ne metwagu efa amase ti ma ye fast me sneaky me be you we asem kura ansana yakoto de ye so kura na efia da e den na si biem na nka Sammy Gyamfi free se bibia akoda din na so Ghana fom yenu bi akwa ba ko e very Emmanuel Jaben wakofa asama ba IMF and a reference and trofo ye briefings o kana maka na maami odi enu me friend Julia oso awie o wi anu hwe time so aka be 2 minutes bi mama me fa one question obi atu ma na Ghana fom yenu ba akoko bisa aba Ghana loan bia ya ne bank bi sensansen sa ho asa na obi za IMF say moda so ama Ghana for kwan so mo nkoji loan and obi say second one Emmanuel Jaben koye ekubie na no o say an ya tese gold board for say kana mo say gold board for dia brɛ no omdo mu nim ho hwe enu ntino dia na mo kafa ho na de to so mienu mo position pa ne say was a domestic gold purchase program dia na mo recommend ma my Ghana na maame no obeyi ano say question ankata ka wan say dan tini ba wote domestic gold purchase program no ote na so nti obegina so no de ansa oya na obekere say domestic gold purchase program no sunsun so papa na sunsun so bone na nti odi ka kan sunsun so papa no o kire say nanka Ghana na precious do my Ghana so pa nti omo de sa domestic gold purchase program na buy no boa yi precious ni free o my Ghana so eti Dr. Bawumia my idea no na say strong yi precious free o my no so pa en o kire ya okaka ho de to so mieru no be kire say na nso de kanam e kan wan hwe yi a uko hwe busu uko hwe mwem a huru da na nso kan wo ho enintin omo position is say 214 million dollars na omo say e kana ba 2020 5 no omo da so gina so say wo ho e bai en wo be kire say sa ka no efri ba bi miensa de di kan trading activities just say yakoto omo de ka bai de to so mienu fees tell say yemfa nkwa ma na nkoton yenko ye we say ya tete nkrofo fees so ene ho no ma no eno so eka ho ene de twato okra exchange rate ya ka o mampanyi Mahama say obetam kwosoro no de abofom gban o de kwosoro no de abofom gban na o ma ni nyina fa akono was exchange rate movement eno so de kabae eno nti nema miensa sources no free trading activities free fees and a free exchange rate movement. It's yakoto and famara no na exchange rate na sesa na edeka aba. Enunti ho na odi yi $214 million e kana aba no odi yi no owie ye no obeka se IMF ho position pa de and say akasa be kana aba no be ye akose say na ye di sie no Bank of Ghana for books no ye nyim free ho was he any free Bank of Ghana for books, Bank of Ghana for mama buying and selling. O my Jumani say, o my Shana de Amabo, a jina baby pinting price stability. and yes, me buying and selling. And into me and for pressures in Koto Bank of Ghana, so me and for Cap Koto Bank of Ghana, so Nemum, Yama Bank of Ghana for Enya a freedom akwenya, no mum for Tumvanyo Majuma. Na afe no, Yemfa a yesa gold board ne wine domestic gold purchase program ni nyina Yemfa ko budgetim. Na yem pesi kanto na yemfa nyesa adwuma no enu ntia de ko budgetim ni yesa adwuma na e ka bia ba ni de ko budgetim ni akokyerem enti o kyerɛ sɛ yemma transparency ankasa emra adwuma ni na risk up domestic gold purchase program na gold board for omre beto Bank of Ghana so no yenyi risk ni free Bank of Ghana so na yemfa risk no enkoto yem budgetim ankasa enu nti o kyerɛ sɛ yemma transparency yemma obie ehunu niam ekoso nyina no yemma obia ehunu be ne nyina yente ase sa na maame Julia a IMF oditudwa
kyerɛ wadwe ma me comment section Penyah Block Media